Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So we've got the Ibiza in, which you might recognise on previous videos. Now the customer wasn't happy with how it sounded with just the resonator delete, so he's come back in for a backbox delete. So let's get cracking, see what we can do. I'm just taking the bolt out, exhaust rubber mounted, so I can lower the backbox down. Exhaust, time to unpack it and see what we've got. Shiny parts. Lovely. You nutter. Just chopped off the back box, as you can see. I'm about to measure up how much pipe we need and weld it all nicely into place. So get the nitty.
I'll hold this for you, sir.
Go back.
Right,
Sure, pencil.
Gotta ball so hard to make them go cray. Can't live off a low wage. Tired of making no pay. I can't feel safe with no safe. Can't act like that makes it okay to sit on ass and just wait. Having fear don't mean you ain't brave if you still push on when afraid. So tell me what you're hoping. You don't know but you know when. Yeah, figure out where you're going. Then you see all the omens. I might bend but you never see me broken. People doing what they can, just coping. What the top don't feel is the low end. Power's in our sights now. When we gon' get it right now? How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Either you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. When we gon' get it right now? Right now. What you want? You got it. Making changes more than your pocket. It takes your heart and your logic. If you sell your soul, then who profits? Let spirit fly with no cockpit. If the movement starts, you can't stop it. Once your mind is open, can't lock it. Chains taking off just like a big rocket. In our sights now. When we gon' get it right now? How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Either you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. When we gon' get it right now? When we gon' get it right now? How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Now that you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. When we gon' get it right now? How we gon' get it right now? When we gon' get it right now?
what did you call this before, Harry? Could you not work out what it was?
No.
This is called an exhaust rubber. And we're going to bolt that back on there like that. Get some of these in your eye. The original.
The brown one.
Fisherman's
Brown.
Friends. Disgusting, mate. These are definitely going on the video. Tom. Let's see the what I've got the pipe. I've got the pipe in the 45. Yep. You know what that together now? Cracking. Poor.
Right, we've now completed the exhaust backbox delete on this Seat Ibiza. It previously come in for the res delete. We've now made a custom backbox system from the res to the back of the car. We haven't heard what it sounds like yet, but we're going to lower the car down now and have a listen. Right, that's the job complete. It sounds 100% better. I'm happy with the sound. I think the customer's pretty happy with the sound as well. I'm sure it'll sound a lot better down the road as well. At the moment we can't rev it up past 3,000 revs, but down the road, I'm sure it'll sound pretty awesome. Right, the Seat Ibiza is back in. He's come back in, he's had the car overnight. He's really happy with the exhaust sound. Now, that was part 2 of the video, was making the backbox delete. He's also got some more ideas now. He wants an induction kit fitting, so I don't think this will be the last you see of this vehicle. Now, we've looked for induction kits for this car at the moment and there is nothing available. There's panel filters available, but there is no induction kits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put together a custom induction kit and give it some more sound on the bonnet as well as the exhaust. So stay tuned, because you will see another video of this car. I'm sure you will. Happy days.
It didn't take long for the Ibiza to come back for a backbox delete as the guy... Oh wait, start again. The guy... Oh no. So let's crack on and get that done. Oh no! Today we've got the Seat Ibiza 1 litre. Oh no, I'm not saying 1 litre, what the f? Go again. Just taking the bolt out of this exhaust rubber. Oh no. Wait. And now we're about to measure up how much pipe we need and weld it all together. No.
Right, we've now completed the exhaust. No, I f***ed up already.